am making a birdhouse today. Technically, it's already been made, but I need to do a very important part: color it, because we need to attract birds into this cute little house, so bright colors are our choice. Look, we can open the roof to put nest and food inside, and there is a chain so we can hang it. So there are 4 colors of the paint here. I want to show you how you can mix and match these colors and get 4 more colors. Let's get started. White, red, yellow, and blue. Of course, we need a brush and water to clean the brush. Let me practice with water first. Great! Now we can work with colors. Clean the brush in water if you want to change the color. Front side is blue, like sky. Beautiful color. Birds will like it. One part of the roof is yellow like sun. But what if we add red to yellow? What color will we get? Orange, like mandarins. I add a bit of blue and got green line, like grass. Let's paint the other part of the roof with white color. White like clouds in the sky. We can also paint windows and other decor. But what if we add red to white? What color will we get? By the way, we can even paint inside. But back to our colors. White and red will give us pink, like raspberries. I am full of creativity today, so let's add some lines to the rooftop so birds will not miss it. These lines are vertical. Now I will do horizontal lines. If you mix blue and red, you will get purple, like flowers. Paint dried out so we can take it outside. Branches of the trees in my backyard are not that sturdy, so I don't want to hang it. Let's do something else. I will put it on the fence. Birds, you are invited to your new home. Don't forget to subscribe.